Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix audio problem in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to look for services here. Now here in Performance Logs and Alerts, we will right-click, Properties, Startup Type Automatic, Apply. Now click on Start here. Well, now we will go to the Control Panel and look for Sound. Go to Communications, do nothing. We go back to Open Sound. Now we will go to Playback and look for speakers. Click on Properties. Go to General, Properties, Levels, and set it to 100. We will go to Advanced, and here we will select the first one. Apply. Now we will open the search engine and we will look for Troubleshoot Settings. Other. And in Audio, click on Run. And here, you should select the option below. Now right-click here, Sound Settings. Here in Output, we will have to verify that we have selected our device. And in Volume, we'll set it to 100. Now right-click Open Volume Mixer. Here we should have everything set to 100. And in Output Device, we should have the correct device selected. And now just restart the PC. And that's it. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks!